My trip to Japan had already been so exciting. I'd spent the day in Osaka, ridden the bullet train, and now I was arriving in Tokyo. I only have one day to explore the city, so I caught up with Yoshi, a local tour guide. Hello. So today I'm going on a tour of Tokyo with my very trusted friend here. This is Yoshi. Say hello, Yoshi.
Hello, welcome to Japan. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. We started our day of touring on the Sumida River, right in the middle of Tokyo. We've already found out we have something in common as well, because your surname is Suzuki, which translated into English is similar to Smith, same as me.
That's right.
Admittedly, it wasn't the most picturesque of boat tours, but it was a different angle on the city and the quickest way to get to our first stop here, the Tsukiji Fish Market, one of the oldest markets in Tokyo. Learning that Tokyo is a city of extremes, right next door, our next stop was the Hamariku Gardens. Blissfully peaceful, and apparently Prince William had been just the week before. No rest for the wicked though, because then it was on to the Senso-Ji Buddhist Temple right in the middle of Tokyo, where Yoshi was keen for me to try out one of the local traditions. I'm going to have my fortune told now. Put the money in the... regular fortune.
Good, regular fortune, good.
Is that good?
No, not so bad, So.
Okay, so, yeah. Okay, I'll go with the regular fortune, even though, to be honest, it doesn't sound too good to me. So we had time to take some pictures, a spot of lunch, and then it was on to our next spot, Electric Town, also known as Geek Town, or its real name, Akihabara, which is basically a town full of computer shops and the place where I got to see my first robot in Japan. Yoshi wanted me to see his favourite shop, so after walking down a corridor or two and into a basement, we ended up in this retro gaming shop, which was really cool. They even had a Pikachu. After a good couple of hours in Geek Town, it was on to Shibuya just as the sun was beginning to set, which is the perfect time because Shibuya is full of neon signs and has the most entertaining zebra crossing I think I've ever been on ever. I've travelled halfway around the world, and why? To cross the road about 50 times, maybe not 50. I've done it maybe 10 times now, and it's still fun, it's not getting old, because it's the busiest crossing in the whole world, and I'm on it. After 18 times backwards and forwards, I think Yoshi had had enough and took me to my next spot, Shinjuku, where he dropped me off here outside the robot restaurant. Now, if I didn't think Tokyo was already brilliantly, wonderfully weird and extreme in every way possible, then my experience here tonight was definitely going to confirm that. I only spent one day in Tokyo, but with the help from Yoshi, I managed to squeeze in so much stuff. And I'm really glad I did because I totally fell in love with the city and cannot wait to go back. During my time in Japan, I also spent some time in the brilliantly cool city of Osaka. I rode the epic bullet train. That video's on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, because I've still got so much more I want to share with you.